Nickelodeon Fireworks Factory is a Clickamajig from Nickelodeon where you can place rockets and start the fireworks. We have 6 kind of rockets: blaze, crown, jewel, fire, flame, and blast. I'll go with crown and blaze for now. We'll place them in order for a bit. Unless I'm kind of messing it up at this moment. So let's keep going. I can only put up to 8 rockets at a time, so all are placed, and we'll go with a big finish of black. Okay, we'll move the scene for a bit further, and we'll go with jewel and fire rockets. Okay, this should fit. We'll put the jewel once and fire once. Okay, we'll still go with the blitz finish. Well, it seems that jewel fireworks are kinda broken. If it's fired at least a few more times. Okay, well, finally we will go near the Eiffel Tower and we'll use flame and blast rockets. Hopefully this time it should go perfectly well. This game is not quite easy to set up, as you need a quite old browser that supports Shockwave Shockwave runtime. That's only available on old 32-bit browsers, so it might take a bit for this to even launch. And finally we'll go with boom, big finish. Okay, we'll place all of them in one moment. We'll just put all those rockets, each type. And well, at least flame and blast. Okay, and finally we'll go with black. So happy new 2020. That's it, and bye.